I think you can see we have a real mess on our hands. If we're going to get that 6.9 running, the first thing I have to do is deal with the fuel delivery system. And we had, frozen clamps, rusty fittings. Look at that. Really hard to get the fittings off. And we had problems with hoses that are rotten. Look at this. Look at how rotten that outlet hose is. The only way we could get the screen out was to cut the hose so we can get the socket on here to get this off. Look at the difference here between the old screen here and the new one that we're going to install. So we're going to install a new screen. We'll rinse the tank out. The tank looks pretty good. It doesn't look rusty. So we're going to go to town here. We're going to clean these brackets up, install new rubbers, get a new filter, get a new pump, and we're going to get this thing back together. And hopefully we'll get fuel running up to the engine. Take a look. A restored fuel delivery system for a 6.9. This is the earlier version. There is a VIN split. So one of the problems in doing these is there's different hoses and different designs through the years. So you have to be careful when you're ordering parts. So we've got this ready to go back in the car. I had to make one modification. You can see here, this is the Bosch pump that's readily available. Notice I had to use this special fitting because the original pump had a banjo bolt. So other than that, everything lined up. We trial fitted this under the 6.9 here just a few minutes ago, and then I came back and tightened all the screws and all the fittings, and we're ready to install this. Notice I used new bolts, new copper washers. We do have FID kits. We call them FID kits, fuel injection delivery, for almost all models. But if you have one of these old Mercedes gas engine cars, you better believe that 80% of them need this unit here rebuilt. So we're going to throw this in the 6.9 and see if we can get it to fire up.